In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube Music app not working. Let's get started. First, you'll need to update the app. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app YouTube Music. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, check your internet connection. So close this and launch your settings. Now click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Next up, restart the app. Launch the app, force quit it. Swipe off from the bottom of the screen, close the app and again relaunch it. This might also fix your issue. Next up, update your device software. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option general, click on the option software update. If any updates are available, just update it. If none of these solutions work for you, you can completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the music app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app and install it. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your YouTube Music app should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.